Aristotle believed that the center of thought was the heart and the brain's function was merely to cool the heart. An early Greek physician, Alcmaeon of Carthage, was the first to claim that the brain, not the heart, is the center organ of blank, and so is shaped by the nature to be drawn towards aspects of nature that enhance our blank. The human brain is the central organ of thoughts, which denotes the skill and intellectual to be adapted to nature for our survival. So the correct answers are choice A and choice F. Choice B and choice C are incorrect, though the commands of the movements or other functions are controlled by neuron and brain, but to make it relevant and adjusted with the blank 2, these two options are incorrect for blank 1. The and so after the blank 1 is so important is in this case to catch the relevancy for choosing the answer. The option D and E are also incorrect. The word intellectual is reflected by the answer in blank 1, and survival can be enhanced in a sense and facts of the passage rather than the life, which is sustained in a constant way till our death. So the correct answers are choice A and choice F to fit the blank 1 and blank 2 respectively to make sense.